ओके
NEPचे आम्ही म्हाका दिसता ह्या सरकाराक दाखोवन दिलेले आहा दे आर नॉट प्रिपेर्ड बेसिकली इन द मॉर्निंग the chief minister was admitted that there are a lot of things that need to be implemented. We cannot play with the lives of the children with regards to infrastructure. Elton asked with regards to clarification about the NCRT and all the different syllabuses with regards to experiential learning. हे पण main subject हा. Internet connectivity आसपाक जाय. Whether subjects as per the liking are available, whether French, foreign languages is an issue. Cluster of colleges, they are still, as per the NEP, it's envisaged that J college it has to be affiliated. Today is affiliated to Goa University, but in the future it is a different scenario. A cluster of colleges mo jo issue ha, chief minister has admitted that they are still working on it. होई ना होई ही पॉलिसी बीज दाखोवन दिवपाक आपणा गेले जे BJPचे इंजिन हा to make sure that this engine is happy, they have just implemented and dumped this NEP policy. So basically it is very very clear that today the fear and anxiety in the minds of the students and the parents, they all fear what is the future, and there are a lot of steps. Education is something that we cannot politicize. It is our duty to bring it to the eye of the government. I believe that there was a good debate. But there are lots of things that the Honorable Chief Minister, the Education Minister needs to look into. दूसरे जे आम्ही we went in the well because it was decided that to give the calling attention in the Business Advisory Committee of one to the opposition, one to the ruling. To which, if you look at the way verbatim tum kadyar, you will find that the Chief Minister has agreed that one goes to the opposition, one goes to the ruling on the second day of the session. But त्या टायमा तो सुद्दी निदान तो उठोता आनी तो मागीर उलटा उलयता. कालूय उलटा पयरूय उलटा उलयतालो आतां उलटा उलयता BSc डिस्कस जाल्ला. सो मुखेलमंत्रीन म्हाका दिसता तेका बारीकशें उठोवपा जाय. तो मातशें चड न्हिदोता हावजान. जायत न्हिदता चोयल्या आसता तुमी मागीर दोळ्या लागून कितें उलयता हें म्हाका खबर ना. So we are here, our rights were curtailed. So all seven of us decided to put a joint calling attention on tomorrow on Dabolim, on the future of Dabolim. We expect that this government takes it. Tejbai, we spoke on the tourism demand, homestay policy, the illegalities in the homestay policy with the way foreign junkets that are been taking place almost. You see the OST of the Honorable Tourism Minister moving around. Crores of rupees have been spent. सद्या टुरिजमान जे जाता टाउट्स जावं tourism master plan was a failure, tourism bill, and I believe that the honorable minister हांवें सांगिल्लें की do you admit that 14 crore scam जाला BJP सरकारान केला, and he said he stands by his word. That means this is a very serious issue with regards to beach cleaning and beach security. Both these issues were highlighted and both these agencies are not capable of handling Goa's there is a lot of things that have to be worked. Drishti and lifeguard is saving several deaths. If you look, several deaths have occurred when lifeguards were also present. Last time आम्ही Sanbanaचे जे प्रश्न काढले, with regards to Sanban, we have said that we will not allow Sanban is not in the interest of Goa, and एक FIR register कुछ, so which I believe tomorrow there are several issues as well. The others.
So थोडं website not working म्हणून तुम्ही सांगला ते exactly किती?
There are several websites of the government that is not working. If you look at the some particularly because I'm not thinking layer asta security level layer जे asta they are not renewed. So this cost hardly 2,000 rupees. These are things that have to be done. If you look, several websites are not working, and it is because of the lethargic attitude of the IT department.
Sir, old Goa fish जे हा ते internationally promote जावपाशें तुमकां दिसता?
100% it has to be. हे फेस्त already जगभर फामाद आहे आमगेलो गोंयचो सायबाचें जें फेस्त आहा. But we had a high powered committee meeting as well. There were several things, but before Old Goa Fest हांव सदांच म्हणटा हो तो ओल्ड गोवा इलिगल बंगलो आहा तो पयलो वचपा जाय. आमी जेन्ना आमगेले पाप सायबाक आपयताय then basically I believe several issues जे IPB, I had raised that issue in the high-powered committee of a hotel coming within the close proximity of Old Goa conservation zone, and I think they've cancelled that IPB after that meeting. And जे Old Goa जो illegal heritage जे building ha, the new construction ha, that should go off.
Thank you, sir.
दाबोळेचेर तुमी म्हणले इन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस द मिनिस्टर आणि टुरिझम मिनिस्टरान तुका म्हणले की दोनी उरतले म्हणून आयजूच म्हणले परत आणि 4.1 मिलियन दोनी कडल्यान येता.
See, I am very confident that both cannot exist under any circumstances. You will see, it's very simple. If you have to go now to Mapsa, I mean to Kankon, speaker कितें वचपाक सोदतालो बी तें काणकोण वचपाक जाय, इल्ले पयस वचपाक जाय. आरे तुका आतां जोरी तर airline is also the same. It is closer to pick up customers from one place. So everything lines up. There is code share. All the airlines get together. A lot of logistics, a lot of, these things are something that is fundamental. Point A to point B, someone wants to go in the shortest time with the cheapest fare. The cheapest fare is in Mopa. The shortest time flights international connect via Mopa. So there is no this any close proximity. Such airports have never survived any parts of the world. You look at Bombay Juhu Airport, you look at the airport in Bangalore, you look at the airport in Delhi, Palam Airport. So all these airports have died a slow death, and I believe that Daboling is gone.
Thank you.
तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशन
No, but just before that, I just want to start. Yeah. 3B, a question on NEP. And I had made three major issues. One is this committee, which are formed, no coordination between the committees. Second thing is that third language, R3, the foreign language only, the Sarkar Gyupakana. We have stretched and government, and CM has said that R3 will be optional, foreign languages can be taken. And the third thing is infrastructure. कित्याक 4 अंक 5 अंक भुरगे तरी सोडटले जाल्यार तांकां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तांकां लंच ब्रेकाक तांगेलें जेवण जेवपाक एक प्लेस नासली. आफ्टर दॅट कमिंग टू ट्युरिजम जाय त्यार आफ्टर मेनी म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी डिबेट जातले ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फॉर ट्युरिजम लास्टाक तेणें तोंडगोत केलें आनी सांगलें की हें खोला किटल जावपाचें आहा म्हणून कित्याक एप्लिकेशन येयलें ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराच्यान सांगलें फायनली एडमिटेड दॅट देर वॉज एन एप्लिकेशन वीच वॉज इन किटल. सो हांव इतलें सांगूंक सोदतां हे सरकाराक ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टराकूय की आनी ऑर्गनायजरांक अरे जेन्ना लोकल बॉडी आहा थिंगा पंचायत आहा आमदार आहा तुम सारकें कांय घेयना सोडा तुमकां जाय तें करूंक जाय. Honorable tourism minister was very clear and he has said that he has rejected or he has sent it back that application. But when there is a local body, panchayat aha, amdar aha, lok aha, tum जाय ते बशीन कोण तुम्ही सोमतें कांय कोण आसोन तुमकां जाय तें गोंय हिंगोत घेयला. And when people are saying that they don't want sunburn without asking, consulting any local body, government is trying to do. So good that the Honorable Tourism Minister has said that he has rejected or he has sent a letter back. So we will stand by Honorable Tourism Minister's word that he has sent a file back which was supposed to have been Kitol. They were good. Explanation मागी जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना Honorable Tourism Minister the way he spoke today in the house सांगिल्लें ते प्रमाणे that he has sent a file back Honorable Tourism Minister आणि सांगिल्लें ते प्रमाणे म्हाका दिसना he will give permission म्हाका दिसना रे because Tourism Minister said that he won't do it. So I feel that he won't allow sunburn in Goa.
Airbnb homestay policy ताजेर तुमकां कितें सांगतले?
ना ती आमगे Honorable member and बाब कालुसान सांगिना there is a scam but Honorable Tourism Minister सांगिला that there is no scam. So I don't know, they have to place the whatever scam is there, member will place it on the floor of the house and then it is up to decide the Honorable Minister what it is.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you.